Fisher Refrigerator Model E522BRWFD5-N repairs. Store food for maximum freshness with this 17.5 cubic feet Fisher Paykel Active Smart Refrigerator. The trays and bins slide out for easy access to items, offering flexible storage options, and the automated monitoring system maintains an appropriate interior temperature. This Fisher Paykel Active Smart Refrigerator has an ultra-flat door for a contemporary look. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Fisher manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Fisher appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Appliance does not operate.